How I naturally recovered my eyesight. I have been suffering from myopia for about 20 plus years, most probably because of incorrect reading or bad vision habits from childhood. My eyesight was formed incorrectly. I didn't wear spectacles because first, I don't like to wear spectacles, and second, I know people with spectacles every year will buy stronger eyeglasses and vision deteriorates because spectacles block eye focus. My vision was about 40% and even sometimes improved up to 60% if I did eye exercises for some time. Since childhood, I have been very passionate about natural vision improvement, and one day I decided to go all in this topic and to research the best possible information from experienced people in natural vision improvement. I figured out how our eyes work. It is similar to a camera lens. To see near, the eyeball a bit extends forward. It is like we press zoom on a camera. To see far, eyeball takes a spherical shapes. Light rays in both cases focus differently on the macula in the central part of the retina. All commands to focus the eyes are sent by our brain, and eye muscle respond to brain commands and adjust eyeball shape to see clearly at a chosen distance. Natural eyesight improvement, it's all logical exercises and relaxation needed for our eyes to function properly. The eyes are one of the most sensitive parts of our body, and stress or negative thoughts and eye muscle get strained, negatively affecting vision. Nowadays, eyes work super hard with eye strain almost all the time. Eyes naturally was not designed to withstand static load from screens. It is crucial to give your eyes a rest, look around, to change distance to the screen, and a lot more. The main cause of myopia for most people is eye strain at a close range from phones and laptops. The eyes cannot handle digital eye strain, and the eye muscles responsible for looking close get spasmodic. After the eyes get spasm, they cannot focus. The brain sends signals to the eye muscle to focus, but no response. As a result, the eye focus mechanism is broken. How I recover my eyesight from a spasm of accommodation? It is all logical. Our body is all connected mechanism. If it's tension somewhere, it will transmit to other body parts. First step, I started to listen to meditation for facial muscle relaxation for 3 months, and I learned to feel each muscle of my face and learn to relax it. And because of this crucial skill, I was able to relax my eyelids and learn to relax eye muscle. All this is a part of the process which you cannot skip. Skipping meditation for relaxation for facial muscles is like building a house without foundation. And as more you relax before sleep, the better your eyes recover during the night after all eye strain throughout the day. Second step, did eye exercises. I made many mistakes because I didn't know which eye exercises were needed for myopia treatment, how many repetitions I need to do, and so on. I was testing a lot of different eye exercises and relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques are all good. Find which one you like the most and which works better for you. But eye exercises can increase spasm. If you skip eye relaxation or if you do many repetitions and many eye exercises for one training. After 3 months of passing a variety of natural vision improvement courses and reading many books in different languages, I found eye exercises that really work. The final step to get rid of a spasm of accommodation was Sweat-on eye exercises, circular eye rotations, and meditation for facial muscle relaxation, plus a variety of relaxation skills. How did my eyes come out of a spasm and my eyesight improve the next day? After performing sweat-on eye exercises, I went to bed to sleep and turned on meditation to relax facial muscles as usual, to relax and sleep better. I tense my abs muscles and relax them, and relaxation spreads throughout all body, and in one moment I feel like my eye muscles is unclenched and my eyeballs are relaxed from tension, like to release belts from eyeballs. I move my eyes and it's become very easy to move them right, left and diagonally. My vision improved the next day. I could see far without blurriness. I stopped eye exercises for 2 months and did only eye relaxation to avoid any eye strain, so eyes can get used to a relaxing state. After 2 months, I start light stretching eye exercises and doing them every day, plus eye relaxation. All skills that I learn I am using every day. For example, changing the distance to the screen, giving periodic rest to the eyes, trying to blink as much as possible, and doing eye exercises to improve eye muscle elasticity. Eyesight improvement skills are like riding a bicycle. You learn and then little by little you train your skills. If you want more in-depth course to improve your vision naturally, enroll in Eyesight Academy course. The link will be in the description below. More than 90% of the information we perceive through the eyes. The best investment is in your health. In the Eyesight Academy, you can learn excellent skills that your eyes need to see better and to get your eye muscles in a good working shape. Myopia is dangerous and can lead to retinal detachment. Removing spasm from the eye muscles is essential to see better and relieve pressure from the eyeballs.